These are all FBI induced, deliberate, strategic, and pointedly tactics that they use to pollute the air with their noises. Literally circle my vicinities 24/7 just to do those. Literally. Now, if I didn't record this, it wouldn't be believed. But this is what it is. They do this 24/7 in all of my vicinities. This is how petty, racist, and worthless these chumps are, including those sirens. Those sirens are part of it. They use sirens, motorcycles, Dodge Chargers, whatever. Anything that will make a loud noise. For example, we live downstairs beneath the gym. They purposely have people go up there and bang the heavy weights down on the floor. Purposely. So now they're going to be quiet for a while, but as soon as we stop, they're going to start back up because his phone is hacked and they're watching every move like an ant under a microscope. I can't wait till they go to hell.